In this screencast, we're going to look at a couple of ways to share slides online using some free tools. And the first one we're going to look at is called SlideShare, and the web address is slideshare.net. And if you go there, you can sign up for a free account, and then you can upload PowerPoint presentations, which you can share with other people through this site. So I'm going to click on the upload button just to demonstrate how you do this. And when you do, you can then select files. You can drag and drop them onto this little square, or you can click the select files to upload button and navigate to where you have a PowerPoint presentation you would like to share. And it automatically puts in the title, and you can put in a description. I'll just say publish Google on Google Drive and choose a category, and I'll pick education. And if I make this public, that means anybody who comes to SlideShare's website can see this. If I want it to be only people who have the link, then I could set it to private, anyone with link, and that way I can share the link by email or on a site like Blackboard with only people who I want to be able to see this. And then I'll go ahead and put in some tags or keywords as well, and then I'll click the publish button. If you don't include all of this information, it will not let you advance beyond this point. So I think I've got everything set up properly, and now I have uploaded this slide presentation, and you can then cycle through the slides using the backwards and forward buttons. You can also put this into full screen mode, and this is really a good way to share the content from your slides. But the problem with SlideShare is that under normal circumstances, it does not include animations, transitions, or media clips, audio narration, or video clips. And let me show you another presentation that I did just to test this out. This is a test PowerPoint presentation that has media included in it. So there's a video clip, but you can see that nothing actually plays. And then on the next slide, I had some music, and I click on the speaker icon, but there is no sound because this is just a picture of that slide without the media there. So if you want to share slides that have media and transitions and animations, then another option is to go to this website called AuthorStream, and it's authorstream.com. And again, you can sign up for a free account, and when you do, you can upload from desktop, from the web, or single file upload, and click on the upload button and navigate to this test PowerPoint presentation, and then click. After a few seconds it will come up, and again you can put in the same information as the description. It already pre-selects some keywords or tags. Again, we'll change this to education, and we'll make this unlisted, which means that it won't be visible to everybody who comes to AuthorStream's website, but anyone with the link can view it. And you can also click this little checkbox here if you want to make your PowerPoint presentation downloadable so people could download a copy. And that, again, is something up to you. When you've got all this done, click the Save Changes button, and then after a few seconds, maybe a minute or two, depending on how large your PowerPoint presentation is, it will take for the finalization to take place. Okay, so now the PowerPoint presentation has been uploaded, and I can go up here to My Stuff and click on My Presentations, and what should show up is a list of my presentations. Now, I've noticed with AuthorStream that occasionally this page does not load and it causes an error message. So if that happens to you, you just have to be persistent and try refreshing the page several times, or coming back 5 or 10 minutes later, and it should work after that. In any event, when I click on this presentation, you'll see that it will start playing by itself after it completely loads. And it did that. Okay, so that was my narration from this PowerPoint presentation. And again, you can see that I can cycle through the slides using backward or forward buttons. Let me do that. Most of the time, when you create a PowerPoint slideshow, you just go to the File menu, click Save, and your presentation is saved in a standard PowerPoint format, such as .ppt. Let me lower the volume on that. And you could see that when PowerPoint presentations are uploaded to AuthorStream, that the animations and the transitions and the media are included. And if I go to slide 7, I believe, it doesn't let me do that. No, it doesn't. You have to cycle through manually. Let me click over onto, actually it's not slide 7, it's slide 11 has a video clip. And in this presentation that I created, I had this video start to play after about 30 seconds. It was set to automatically play, and it doesn't do that here in AuthorStream. And so I'm not sure whether it's because AuthorStream missed this or because I did something wrong. Because later on in this presentation, I do have a video that starts to play automatically after a few seconds. Anyway, if you want to watch this video, you can click the play button, and there it is. And so AuthorStream is a pretty good tool that's free that allows you to share PowerPoint presentations that retain all of the formatting and media that you've included. So let me stop this. And you can see that you can share this with a URL. You can embed it if you turn that feature on. There are lots of options with AuthorStream. So this is a really interesting tool that we recommend that you try out and with your own presentations and see how it might work for you. So in summary, SlideShare is a popular and simple way to share copies or images of your PowerPoint slides. So if you just want to share the content, then SlideShare is a good choice. And if you want to share the actual interactivity of a PowerPoint presentation, then AuthorStream is a good choice for that. So try it out with your own content and your own slide presentations and see how it works for you.